Okay, here we are, starting now. Flip, stop, galaxy. Think before you shake. Oh, yes, that's the one.
This is hard.
Okay.
Why can't I do this?
Oh, no.
Why can't I shake when I'm doing the intro?
I don't know. I guess it's turned off. Can you do this one in one shot? One take? I hit the button.
Yes, leave it.
Okay, go for it.
This
is a hard one, guys. You have to really be... What was that for?
Spin. It's just a reminder.
Think before you spin.
Oh.
That's close.
I forgot. Oh.
Thank you.
Da.
This takes lots of practice.
Da.
Good one. Good recovery, I mean. Wow, this is horrible. Uh-oh, frozen Goomba.
I know, he's in that thingy.
Oh, checkpoint. Oh, no.
Checkpoint.
Good one. Good recovery.
There he is on that run.
Watch closely, guys. This is pretty good. Ooh, stay out of the way of him. Whoa.
I almost spun.
I know. Lucky you thought before you spun.
No!
Oh, we'll have to edit that piece out.
No, we're not editing.
Leave it in? Oh, no.
No!
It's okay. Take it easy, pal. I will edit that one out, too.
No!
Yeah.
I know this is pretty hard, but I would just be in World 1. I'll just get this in 10 seconds if I could.
I know. It's easy watching someone else do it, but when you try it yourself, it's not that easy.
Look! Once I broke a chain chomp somehow.
Yeah? Spinning him?
I think I spun the red, and then I spun it real quickly again.
Yeah.
And then he smashed onto the blue panel.
And
he smashed the top of him on the blue panel. Oh! It's funny. Chain chomps are actually dogs.
I know.
Did you know that chain chomps are actually dogs?
Yes, they bark. They're dogs.
Arr! I never knew they were dogs. Oh my god, you're mean.
Think before you shake. There's a star. Wow. That
was me.
I know, he's making it. There. Thank you very much for watching.